Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss another past year paper from Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics, and it is from May-June 2021, and this is 0580, component is 2-3. So let's start. Here is question number 1. Write down the number that is 23 less than minus 1.6. So we will rewrite this thing again mathematically. We need a number which is less than minus 1.6 and by 23 units, so it is 1.6 minus 23, and it is minus minus plus, and sign would be minus 23 plus 124, so it is 24.6. that's the answer. And second question, write as a fraction in its simplest form. So it is 72 over 100, and we can directly write our answer with the help of calculator. It is going to be 72 over 100, and this is 18 over 25. 425 times, and 4 1 4, that is 3, 4 8 32. So 18 by 25 directly we can write from the calculator. And the B part also 0.004, so it is 0.004 can be written as 004 over 1000, or it is simply 4 over 1000, and 4 1 4, 420, and then it is 0, and hence it is 1 over 250. And we can cross check with the help of calculator. 0.004 as 1 over 250, so 1 over 250 is the answer. In question number 3, the diagram shows a pair of parallel lines. These are the parallel lines, and a straight line, which is of course a transversal. Complete the statement with the correct geometrical reason. And here we can see these two angles, and of course they are to the one side of the transversal from the parallel lines, so it is going to be 40 degree. And because the angles are corresponding, we know in the corresponding angles are equal if we have the two parallel lines. Angles are corresponding. Here is the fourth question. Find the value of y, and we have three straight lines meeting at this point, and we know the total angle is 360. So it means if we add all these angles, y plus y2y plus 100, it has to be 360, and that's why 2y would be 360 minus 100, that is 260, and hence y become 260 divided by 2, and it is 130. So y is 130. Fifth question, Joe invests $600 for 7 years at a rate of 1.5% per year simple interest. Calculate the total interest earned during the 7 years. So the simple interest, we have a formula. SI is P into R into T over 100. So it is going to be $600 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 7 years, and then upon 100. These two got cancelled, and then we can multiply 15 6 are 90, so it is 9 into 7, and 9 7s are 63. So $63 is going to be the rate, the interest, total interest earned during the 7 years. And here's the sixth question. Maria buys n pencils that cost p cents each, and she pays with a y dollar note. In terms of, we need to find in terms of n, p, and y the amount of change Maria receives. Give your answer in cents. So if n pencils she has bought, so it means the total cost become n times p, total cost. It is total cost, this cents, and since she pays y dollar, so it is going to be the total payment is y dollar, and y dollar means 100 times y cents. So the amount she will get by like as a change would be of course 100 y minus n p, and that is going to be the that is going to be in cents, because this is also in cents and this is also going to be in the cents. So the answer is 100y minus np cents, and that is the change, amount of change Maria receives. Here's the seventh question. 12, 18, 29, 49, 91 and 125 are the numbers. From the list of the numbers, write down a cube number. So we can see 12 is 4 into 3, 18 is 9 into 2, 29 is a prime number, 49 is 7 into 7 square number, 91 is 13 into 7, and 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. So 125 is a cube number from this list, and second part is a prime number. So we have just seen these 12, 18, 49, 91 and 125 are the composite numbers, so 29 is only prime number here. Eighth question. Alex changes 190 euros into pounds when 1 pound is same as 1.1723 euros. Calculate the amount Alex receives. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. So it's we will do it by a unitary method. So 1.1723 euros is same as 1 pounds. So it means if we take 1 euros, so it would be 1 upon 1.1723 pounds, and hence we require 190 euros, and that is going to be 190 into 1 over 1.1723, and we will calculate this from calculator. 190 upon 1.1723. This is 162.0745 and so on. So we require till 2 decimal places. So 2 decimal places means 0.07. So it is 162.07 pounds. Ninth question. Without using a calculator, work out 1 2 by 3 divide by 7 1 by 2. You must show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So first of all, we know division means we will first of all convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5 over 3 divided by 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15 over 2. So if we convert this division into multiplication, the second number would be reciprocated, and that is 2 by 15 here. 5 3s are, and then we got this as 2 by 9, and that's the simplest form. So the right answer is 2 by 9. Here's the 10th question. This is a transformation question. Now A part is describe fully single transformation that maps triangle T onto triangle A. So we can see this is same orientation. So it is a translation, and translation requires 2 components, horizontal and vertical. And here we can see the horizontal is 1 unit in the 1 unit towards the left. So it is going to be -1, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 unit down, because we need to find the corresponding points. So it is 8 unit down means -8. So it is going to be first of all translation. It is translation, and we need to write the translation vector. We'll write translation by horizontal, it is -1, and vertical it is -8. So this is the transformation. B part, draw the image of triangle T after an enlargement scale factor -1/2 and center 0 0. So whenever we have scale factor negative, it means center of enlargement is lying between image and object. And here if it is 1/2, so the image of triangle T would be half in the size. So anyway, we are going to do in the same way as we do in the enlargement. We will draw the line points to the center of enlargement. So I have joined these points with the center of enlargement, and now we will figure out where is going to be the image. So we can find one by one. This point from the center of enlargement, the point which is 90 degree, is going to be 1 2 unit up and 2 unit ahead, or you can say 2 unit ahead and then 2 unit up. So it would be going in the other way direction, half, because scale factor is half. So it is going to be here 1/2, 1 and then down 1. So this will lie of course on the same line. Similarly, we will find this 2 and then 4. So it means 1 and then 2. It will come here. The last one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 horizontal and 2 vertical. So it is going to be half of 8, that is 4, and then going down by 1. So we will reach here, and then we will join all these 3 points to get the image. Or we can give these points also. It is -1, -1. It is -4, -1, and it is -1, -2. Here's the 11th question. Simplify 3x cube into 4x to the power 4. So whenever we multiply by sign with sign, number with number, and variable with variable. So here there is sign positive, so it is positive only, and 3 into 4 is 12, and x to the power 3 into x to the power 4, so it's 12, and then x, we will use the law of indices, multiplication, the power got added, so 3 plus 4, it is going to be 7. So the final answer is 12x to the power 7. Here's the 12th question. X is an integer. It is an integer which is for which 2x minus 1 is greater than or equals to -3 and less than 3. So we need to find the values of x. So whenever we have two inequalities, we need to get rid of the extra things with x. So first thing, it is -1, so we can apply +1 everywhere. So we'll get -3 plus 1 is less than or equals to 2x minus 1 plus 1 is less than 3 plus 1. So this simplified to -2, and here less than or equals to 2x only, and this is less than 3 plus 1, 4. Now we have 2, so we will divide the whole thing by 2, dividing by 2, dividing by 2, dividing by 2. So dividing by a positive number does not change the inequality, so it is going to be same, and hence we will get this as -1 to -2 over 2 is -1, less than or equals to x, less than or equals to 4 by 2, that is 2. So, and moreover it is given that x is an integer, so the integers between -1 and 2 and -1 including, so it is going to be -1 and then 0 and then 1. It cannot be 2 because x has to be less than 2. So these are the three values of x. Here's the 13th question. Expand and simplify this. So we need to first of all open the bracket by multiplying. So 6 into t is 60. 6 into q is -6q. -2 into t is -2t. Minus plus 2 into 3 is 6, and q is there. As we have just seen that whenever we multiply with sign, number with number, and the variable with variable. So this is going to be here, and then we collect the like terms. So it is 6t minus 2t minus 6q plus 6q, and we can see this is 60 minus 2t is 4t, and minus 6q plus 6q got cancelled, so final answer is 4t. Here's the 14th question. The magnitude of the vector 20k is 29. Find the value of k. So we know the magnitude of vector, magnitude of 20 and k is square root of 20 square plus k square, and according to question the magnitude of this is given 29, so 29 equals root 20 square plus k square. And in order to remove this square root, we will take the square both the side, so it becomes 29 square equals 20 square is 400 plus k square. And we will see what is 29 square. 29 square is 841, so this question become 841, and this can be shifted here left hand side, and then it is k square as 841 minus 400, and that is 441 equals k square, and that's why k would be plus minus square root of 441, and that is plus minus 21. And since it is not given that it has to be positive or negative, so this is going to be, so I would write plus minus both, because it is true for plus 21 and minus 21 both. Here's the 15th question. We have two parallel lines in diagram. AB is parallel to CD. These two are parallel lines, and AB and BC intersect at X. AB is 6 and CD is 12. CX is 8 and DX is 7. So first part is to complete the statement. Triangle ABX. Triangle ABX is, we can see if they are parallel lines, it means this angle and this angle by alternating triangles they are same. These two angles are also equal by alternating triangle angle, and these two are vertically opposite angles, so hence equal. So if the all the corresponding three angles of two triangles are equal, they are similar. So we will write triangle ABX is similar to the triangle DCX. Now the next part is work out the length of BX. We need to find this length. So whenever we have two similar triangles, the first thing is we need to see the scale factor. And here the scale factors, we can get it from the known sides. And the first known, the corresponding side, we can see AB is corresponding to CD. So AB upon CD. This is going to be scale factor, AB upon CD. Also from here we can see we have CX corresponding to BX. So this ratio would also be same. So BX corresponding to first ABX triangle upon CX. They would be same. And this is called together scale factor. And AB is given as 6, CD is given as 12. So it is going to be 1 by 2, and it has to be same as BX upon CX. BX upon CX is given as 8, and hence from here we can calculate BX. BX is 8 by 2, that is 4. So we will write BX as 4 centimeter. Now why we need to calculate scale factor, we will see in the next question. Area of triangle DCX. DCX is 26.906 centimeter square. Use this value to find the area of triangle ABX. So I will draw it here. We have seen the triangle like that, and it was ABX, and it was DC. Sorry, it is X. It is DCX. So the area of two similar triangles. So if we start with this, so area of triangle ABX upon area of triangle DCX is going to be square of the scale factor, and that is the corresponding any two corresponding sides, AB upon CD whole square, and that is what we have seen. It is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. So from here we can get area of triangle ABX as 1/4 of cross multiply area of CDX, that is 26.906, and we'll calculate this. 26.906 divide by 4, and the answer is 6.7265. We can write our answer also till 3 significant figure, but that's fine if you write like this. Otherwise it is 6.73. Now next part is triangle. We need to find the area of triangle ACX. So we will do it here. The triangle area of triangle ACX. This area we need to find. AC. So since we have this area and we can see this area, we can mark it as this was given as 4. So if it is 4 and this length is 8 centimeter, and the base here is 4 and here it is double, so this area will also be double of the area of the triangle ABX. So this area is going to be twice of the area of triangle AB, twice into 6.7265, and this is 13.453 centimeter square, and that's the area of the triangle ACX. So that's it. I hope it was of some help. We will discuss the last few questions in the next video. Till then, thank you so much.